All right, guys. So in the last video, we went through the swim lane. So this time we will go through the basic flow chart or the linear flow chart. And this is basically a simple left to right sequence of process steps. And so you just come in here and you click select. Here you can see an example that we already have in here. And similar to the swim lane, you have the instructions. It tells you how to use the flow chart, gives you some instructions. If you want to get a more detailed guide with images, you can just click here, read full guide. But as you can see here, this is a left to right read of a flow chart. And you can pretty much come in here and do the same things that we talked about in the swim lane, but we'll do an example. But if you come here and you click on these process steps, this is if you wanted to create this fully manual and you just wanted to, have your own taste and touch to it. You can come in here and do that. You can stretch out the different steps. And so this is where you can come here and do that. Now, if we want to go back and let's just do an AI generation. So you can come in here and actually upload an image. So if you had an image of a work instruction or something, the AI will generate that process flow for you. Or if you had a process map that was a different type of process map, the AI is smart enough to actually pick it up and put it in this format for you. But for this one, let's just do an example. Let's keep our example that we used last time and say process to make rice and get it into the stores. Now this is generating. It's going to ask you to save it. Go ahead and save it. And as you can see, the manual has been updated now. So the manual or the standard setup has been updated, and you can see everything from start, which steps are next, which ones the nodes are connected to. You can also add the time in here. So if I want to say this step takes 10 days, and then this next one takes 5 days, and you'll see here that has now been updated. And so as you slide here, you can see the entire flow has been generated for you. So you start, you grow the rice, you harvest the rice, you process the rice, package the rice, distribute the rice, store the rice. And then you can come in here and actually export as a PDF or as a Word. And the Word will just be instructions, and the PDF will actually be what you're seeing here exported for you to be able to use. And you can also come in here and edit. So if you click on one of these, then you see here, you can actually adjust the text color. You can adjust the border color. So if I wanted to make that orange, make the fill color black, then I'll change the text color to white or blue. You can adjust that. Now in the future, we'll have more flexibility, but right now this is how we're allowing you to be able to make your work even faster when using this flowchart. All right, see you guys in the next video.